My name is Nsppd. I come from Zimbabwe. My testimony goes like this. In 2022, I had an ectopic pregnancy, and the situation was so bad to an extent that they had to remove my ovary. They had to remove the tube to save my life. After that, I had 2 miscarriages, and also my gynecologist advised me that they should tie my left tube so that I should not conceive, because it was now a danger even to my health and my life. But I just assured them it's fine, I will not try to conceive again. So it happened that I joined Nsppd last year, into October last year. That's when I joined Nsppd. I was just scrolling, then I saw Papa praying, then I started to follow the link, I started to pray, I joined the link, I prayed. And Papa will always declare that those who remove their tube are coming back.
Creative miracles are happening right now. Any part of your body that was cut off, your womb cut off, your breast cut off, fallopian tubes cut off, ovaries and now we're cut off by the power that raised Jesus from the dead. I announce, let them be restored.
But I will always believe when every declaration on the altar, I will just believe and take my declarations. So in February, I joined the 28 prayers. I prayed, I write my 28 prayer points. Papa always said, recreation miracle, I will just cling to that. So last week, I had a sharp pain on my left side. So I decided to visit the doctor because the pain was too much, and I thought maybe there are other complications with my left side also. So I went to the doctor. The doctor said they need to do my scans so that they can see what's the problem. So when I went for a scan, that's when the lady that was doing scan and said, you know what, what's your problem? And I told them that I've got a sharp pain. I don't know what's going on. And the lady said, the left side is okay, but I'm seeing the simple cyst on the right side. I said, I don't have a right ovary. I don't have a right ovary. And she said, no, we are seeing the cyst. I said, no, maybe you are mistaken or something. I also have the cut, the operation is there. Then the lady said, no, there is a cyst on the left side. They had to call each other. The doctors called and they confirmed, and they said, there is a right ovary in the tube. I said they removed everything. I know. My gynecologist told me. I had to go back to my gynecologist. I asked her, and she told me that they'd removed everything. Just to be clear, I give God glory. Papa will always ask us, how will you shout? I was crying, Papa. I was just crying. It's something that I didn't pray about. In my prayer request, I had a lot of prayer requests, but not this one. But just God did it for me. I joined the millions to say, may the oil on your head never run dry, Papa. Everyone is shocked. Even the gynecologists are shocked. Everyone is shocked. They don't even know. They can't even explain it. Papa will always say, how will you shout? I was just crying. I started crying. The whole town, I was just crying. Papa, may the oil on your head never run dry. May God bless you and your family. You are a blessing to us. Even in Zimbabwe, you are changing lives. You are changing lives. You have changed my life. You have given me another new name. I've got a new name. I can rejoice. I'm a full woman right now. My confidence is back. My faith.
Thank you so much for listening to the end. Please like this video, share it with someone, and kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for your support. God bless you.